Welcome back. True Crime News is always keeping tabs on the latest details and true crime stories and revisiting cases where questions still remain, which is a lot of them. Here to give us the latest is host Anna Garcia. We want to say good morning to you and thank you for, coming back regularly now so that we can really delve into some things on a regular basis.
Good morning, Anita. Good morning, Chicago.
So obviously we're going to start with one of the biggest stories here that's been ongoing for several years, and that is the Delphi double murders case. I was pretty surprised that this was going on over the weekend, the hearing of the case.
Yeah, this judge, she has sequestered the jury, which was impaneled in Fort Wayne, and she's all business, all business. This is 2 Saturdays in a row that the jury's been working.
Yeah, and are they getting anything new, or is it kind of just pretty much a standard what we've known thus far in the case?
Actually, we're getting a lot of new information because there's been a gag order in place. Therefore, neither side can speak to the media. So we've learned finally how the girls were killed, even though the prosecution alleges that Richard Allen used a gun to coerce them, their necks were slit. And we also learned that one of the young ladies was naked. The other one was wearing the other's clothes, and they were posed, and it was very unusual. Most of the testimony in the last few days has been really about how this so-called clerical error happened. You know, Richard Allen never denied that he was on the bridge that day, and he was even interviewed. But it wasn't until 5 years later when a volunteer was going through the files, in a file with a little green dot was the testimony that said this had been, the person had been cleared, and actually under a different name instead of just Richard Allen. The witness was, it was written down as Richard Allen Whiteman. So there was a lot of discussion about how that happened, and there's been a ton of testimony. I think it was something like 7 hours straight for one day on the bullet that was found at the scene, and the argument back and forth whether that indeed, because it's an unspent bullet, whether conclusively they can say it came from Richard Allen's gun. So it's been very interesting. And the witness, the thing is, 7 years later, witness testimony is kind of a, inconsistent at points.
Yeah, it can be foggy at that point in time. Okay, and let's also talk about the new details in this local death that's now tied to a suspected serial killer, Bruce Lindahl.
Yeah, this is, the amazing and miracle work that comes from current DNA technology. So using technology that was not available at the time that 19-year-old Kathy Hale was killed, again, 1979, they've been able to not only identify her, but identify that her killer was Bruce Lindahl. Now, he is a serial killer from your area who took his life in 1981. So, Anita, the question here is, where is the justice? You can't really try him, and her family has said at least they feel they have the answers. Obviously, nothing's ever going to be satisfactory, but at least you have an idea of what happened to your loved one and who ultimately was responsible. So justice takes a different form here.
Yeah, everybody looks at justice in a different way. Thanks so much again for being here. True Crime News with Anna Garcia. Make sure you're tuning in, and we're going to bring her back in for updates as well. Thank you.